Anyone with a pencil can sketch a beautiful house. But if a building ignores structural safety, fire protection, or proper drainage, it becomes a hazard. The stakes grow even higher when we look at large public structures, like a community clinic or a school. A failure here threatens hundreds of lives and wastes millions in public funding. To prevent those failures, South Africa relies on a dedicated regulator. The South African Council for the Architectural Profession, or SACAP, is the statutory body legally appointed to oversee the entire industry. Before a single brick is laid, municipalities, building contractors, and private clients check a designer's SACAP registration. This registration acts as a strict verification that the person handling the project is fully competent. By enforcing these standards, SACAP creates a direct line of accountability. The registration process protects the public by ensuring every approved blueprint comes from a verified, responsible professional. Graduating with a degree in architecture does not instantly make you a professional. Every new graduate must first enter the regulatory system as a candidate. This table outlines SACAP's 4 qualification tiers. Your academic qualification decides your starting point. National certificate graduates become candidate draftspersons. Diplomas and BTechs lead to technologist tracks. Masters or BArch holders start as candidate architects. All require a 24 to 36-month internship before professional status. Your academic foundation establishes a clear ceiling. The degree you hold dictates your exact pathway and the ultimate registration category you can achieve. Starting your candidacy requires a specific set of documents. You need to submit your certified ID, verified copies of your academic qualifications, and a formal letter of undertaking from your supervisor. That supervisor must be a registered professional. Working under their guidance and submitting detailed monthly training records is the only legal way to prove you have acquired the necessary practical experience. Once the internship period is complete, candidates face one final hurdle. They must pass the Professional Practice Examination, commonly known as the PPE. The PPE evaluates your real-world readiness, not your design talent. It rigorously tests your understanding of industry ethics, complex building contracts, local authority approval processes, and strict building regulations. Academic theory gives you the tools to design, but true professional competence means mastering these legal frameworks and proving you can safely execute a project under tight supervision. Earning your professional certificate is a major milestone, but it is an ongoing commitment. Registered professionals must actively maintain their status throughout their careers. This requires completing Continuous Professional Development, or CPD, to keep your skills current. You must also uphold a strict code of conduct and pay annual registration fees to stay on the active roll. Many applicants stumble by applying for the wrong category, submitting incomplete paperwork, or failing to keep accurate logs of their mentored experience. Another common trap is assuming that knowing how to use 3D modeling software makes you an architect. Software is just a tool. Professional competence requires judgment, responsibility, and legal awareness. Every tower, clinic, and home in our cities relies on those exact qualities. An individual architect's adherence to the rules scales up to shape the entire South African built environment. The strict registration process builds the public trust needed to construct our cities safely. By demanding competence and accountability, SACAP ensures the places where